Folding all-terrain vehicle. Forest Cat is an ultra-compact all-terrain vehicle with a quickly transforming design, so it can be transported in the luggage compartments of cars. To fold or bring the off-road trike into working condition, it does not take much time and any tools. In fact, this is a scooter with a gasoline engine and a seat, which is designed to move one person with a small load over rough terrain. It has good traction characteristics, and therefore can be used, for example, to tow a boat on a trailer to the nearest body of water. Forest Cat is equipped with a single-cylinder internal combustion engine with a capacity of 2.5 horsepower, which is mounted above the front wheel. Torque is transmitted through a centrifugal clutch using a chain. Thanks to a clearance of 19 centimeters, the Moto all-terrain vehicle can overcome obstacles, move through mud, shallow snow. The all-terrain vehicle develops a speed of up to 20 km per hour. Depending on the volume of fuel, it is possible to install additional canisters with a capacity of 4.5 liters. At one gas station, the scooter covers a distance of 40 to 120 kilometers. Weighing 31 kilograms, the foldable ATV can carry a payload of up to 150 kilograms.